getting it. Ah! Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka Motor Bro, and we are squad deep right now. Yes sir. Today is going to be a vibe. So let's get into today's video. As you can see, it's pretty busy out here today. And we got some shredders. Woo! Tater just pulled up next to me. You already know Tater Tunes, best bike mechanic in Orlando. And I guess he's a quad rider now, bro. Well, we're pulling up right next to him. Tater said, I want all the smoke today. Oh! That grass got him. Oh boy. Tater ain't playing around today. He ain't playing. Oh, big smoke coming in. Yo. That's why you gotta love the freaking compound, bro. It's just so big. And you can just shred for freaking days, bro. If you hit a couple laps around here, you're pretty much out of gas. Ah! Came in for some freaking smoke. Bro, they all haven't put the wheel down. I was coming in for some silent smoke, man. Bro, I swear, Tater literally just pulled out. I feel like this is his first lap. And he's already crazy, bro. He's going crazy. Oh, brake fade. He said he's getting brake fade. Oh, he's getting bro. Tater had to let him know I had brake fade, that's why. Oh, here's some donuts. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Boy's getting it. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, a quad OC's fun as hell. Oh my gosh. I might have to invest in a quad one day, bro, because the way they're riding it, like, I don't know, it looks so fun, bro. They're about to get a race. It's racing. Schmo in the back holding it down. Ah. 450 Kenny. Go! There it is. Big 450 Kenny. Yes, sir. I was trying to train him behind that turn. Yes. Drop that bit down. Let's go. These boys are smooth with it, bro. Oh! shredding though. Yes, sir. It's been a minute. Got jam Boro. This is definitely one of my favorites, bro. He's just so smooth, man. Yes, sir. Let's go. The pedal bike moves, bro. Yo, he's going crazy. Bro, look how he's swerving in the stand-up. Yes, sir! Yeah. Bro, them stand-up swerves, the stand-up swerve, crazy. Sheesh. I think it's a 450. It sounds like a 450. Actually. Woo. Mobbing. We got the boy Drew over here. Up, up. Honda versus Yamaha 85. And he's in the Gucci flops, bro. Yes, sir. Oh! Oh, vibing, bro. And we got the 85. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yamaha versus Honda. 85, gang. Woo. Bro, I love the green spokes with the blue. It's really a vibe. I think it's time for me to pull it. Goddamn bug, bro. How to juke it. It's a little windy out here, so I'm definitely getting flown around a little. Woo. A little Nina over. Oh, nope. I tried going over the seat, but that did not work out. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll end it off with a little wheel ski. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.